So when you look at a Mustang taillight from basically 96 to 04, you're going to see three main lights here and a reverse light. Then the 99 to 01 Cobra is going to have another turn signal bulb down here on the amber taillights. It's a different story. But on this particular housing, all of the lights will light up when you pull the knob to parking or to headlight. And that's a single stage. Then when you hit the brakes, these outer two will light up brighter. And then when you use your turn signal, the outer two will also flash. Then down below you have the reverse light bulb. So what I wanted to show you is on the back, these are color coded. So see how these are darker colored? And what you'll notice is they have three wires coming from them and so that would be these two, where this one here and the reverse light only have two wires going to them. But these two are also different. So if you look at them, let's look at this one first. You'll notice on this you have a ground, and then you have minor, which is like the running lights, and then major for the brake lights and the turn signal. So that's these outer two for the brakes that do that. Then when we look at this third one that's only a running light, notice how it has a ground and then it's only using the minor. Okay, so the major is not used. So it's using ground and minor because all this does is light up low dim power for running lights. But if you look at the reverse light, it actually uses a different one. So it has the ground and then it's using the major. So notice how the minor, it's kind of hard to see here. I can show you on this bulb here. So this one with ground, minor, not using major, would be the running light. And then this one for ground and major would be the reverse light. So the reverse light only lights up one color as well, just one brightness, but because it's so bright, they either have the reverse light designed so that it uses the higher beam out of the two, just like if you have a brake light that lights up either dim or bright. This would be using the brighter version of that. And the low time running light one, it's going to use the minor one because they want that to be running consistently as long as your headlights are on without overheating or sending too much power to it.